The legal world, with its intricate procedures and specialized terminology, can often feel like a labyrinth. This guide aims to demystify common legal documents used in litigation, providing a clear roadmap for navigating this complex landscape. By grasping the purpose and significance of each document, individuals can better comprehend the litigation process and ensure their rights and interests are protected. At the heart of this system lies a complex web of legal documents that serve as the building blocks of any litigation. These documents are not mere formalities, they are the lifeblood of a case, containing crucial information, arguments, and decisions that shape the outcome of a legal dispute. From the initial pleadings that define the lawsuit to the final judgment that brings it to a close, each legal document plays a specific and critical role. Understanding these documents is not just the domain of lawyers, it's essential for anyone who wants to be an informed participant in their own case. This guide will delve into the world of legal documents, shedding light on their purpose, structure, and significance. By understanding the language and purpose of these documents, you'll gain valuable insights into the legal process and be better equipped to navigate the complexities of your case. Pleadings are the foundational documents in a lawsuit, setting the stage for the entire litigation process. They serve as the initial communication between the parties involved, outlining their respective positions and the issues in dispute. The most common types of pleadings are the complaint, answer, and counterclaim. The complaint, filed by the plaintiff, initiates the lawsuit and outlines the plaintiff's grievances against the defendant. In response to the complaint, the defendant files an answer, admitting or denying the allegations made by the plaintiff. The answer is the defendant's opportunity to present their side of the story and challenge the plaintiff's claims. If the defendant has claims against the plaintiff arising from the same set of facts, they may also file a counterclaim. Pleadings establish the boundaries of the dispute, identifying the parties involved, the legal theories at play, and the relief being sought. Once the pleadings have laid the groundwork for the lawsuit, the litigation process advances through a series of motions. Motions are formal requests made by either party to the court, seeking specific rulings or orders. They are powerful tools that can significantly impact the direction and outcome of a case. For instance, a defendant may file a motion to dismiss the case, arguing that the plaintiff's complaint fails to state a valid legal claim. Alternatively, a plaintiff may file a motion to compel discovery, seeking the court's intervention to obtain evidence from the defendant. The process of filing and arguing motions involves submitting written arguments, known as briefs, to the court. These briefs outline the legal basis for the requested relief and cite relevant case law and statutes to support the party's position. In some instances, the court may schedule a hearing to allow the parties to present oral arguments in support of their motions. Understanding the different types of motions and the procedures for filing and arguing them is essential for effectively navigating the litigation process. Discovery is a crucial phase in litigation, where both sides gather information and evidence to build their case. This process involves exchanging various documents and information, allowing the parties to gain a comprehensive understanding of the facts and issues in dispute. Interrogatories, one of the primary discovery tools, are written questions sent by one party to the other, requiring written answers under oath. These questions delve into specific details relevant to the case, such as the identities of witnesses, the substance of conversations, or the contents of documents. Depositions, another crucial component of discovery, involve the oral examination of a party or witness under oath. During a deposition, attorneys from both sides have the opportunity to ask questions and obtain sworn testimony that can be used as evidence in court. These tools ensure that both sides have access to relevant evidence, fostering a fair and balanced playing field for litigation. Throughout the course of litigation, the court acts as the impartial arbiter, issuing rulings and decisions that guide the case and ultimately determine its outcome. These pronouncements, known as court orders and judgments, hold significant weight and define the rights and obligations of the parties involved. Court orders are directives issued by the judge, addressing specific requests made by the parties or managing the procedural aspects of the case. These orders can encompass a wide range of matters such as scheduling hearings, compelling discovery, or imposing sanctions for misconduct. A judgment, on the other hand, represents the court's final decision on the merits of the case. It outlines the court's findings of fact, conclusions of law, and the relief granted or denied to each party. Understanding the distinction between court orders and judgments is crucial for comprehending the legal implications of each pronouncement. Legal briefs are the cornerstones of persuasive advocacy in litigation. These written documents serve as the primary means for attorneys to present their clients' arguments, analyze legal issues, and persuade the court to rule in their favor. A legal brief typically begins with a compelling introduction that outlines the key issues and the desired outcome. It then delves into a comprehensive analysis of the relevant facts, skillfully weaving together evidence, testimony, and legal precedent to support the client's position. The heart of a legal brief lies in its legal argument section, where attorneys present a logical and well-reasoned analysis of the applicable law. This section cites relevant statutes, case law, and legal principles, demonstrating how they support the client's claims or defenses. A well-crafted conclusion leaves a lasting impression on the court, reinforcing the strength of the client's position and the desired outcome. In the high-stakes world of litigation, where precision and timeliness are paramount, effective legal document management is not merely a matter of organization. It's a strategic imperative. The ability to efficiently store, retrieve, and manage the vast array of documents generated during litigation can be the decisive factor between a successful outcome and a costly setback. Accuracy is the cornerstone of sound legal document management. Every document filed with the court, every piece of evidence exchanged, and every communication related to the case must be accurate, complete, and free from errors. Timeliness is equally crucial. Court deadlines are unforgiving, and missing a filing deadline, failing to respond to a motion, or neglecting to produce requested documents can result in severe penalties. Confidentiality is paramount in legal document management. Attorneys have an ethical and legal obligation to protect their clients' confidential information, ensuring that sensitive documents are handled with the utmost care and discretion. By leveraging technology, legal teams can enhance their efficiency, reduce the risk of errors, and maintain the highest standards of confidentiality.